I was watching TV one night and I had an issue with a house. We did a remodeling project here and they put up this large chimney, which is just behind us. And they didn't put in proper foundation. So I didn't have proper footing. And the whole chimney, 3 stories, it was slanting out at this stage more than 4 inches. It was about as splendid of an interview in the garage. I saw videotape of what you could do and how you could put these jacks underneath the chimney. Your crew arrived, Matt and group, who was phenomenal to work with, and those guys came in here at 10:30 in the morning, dug down below the footing. They were able to literally raise the 3-story chimney from the ground. If you look around the corner, anybody can see, no one would know they even were here. They restored the shrubbery, they replanted the shrubbery, they put in the rock basin that was there. I did absolutely nothing but smiled. You got the best ambassador and worker that anybody could ever hire. Yeah, if I were in construction, I would be trying to get them from you. They're just wonderful people to work with. Cleaned up, I mean, most guys don't do that today. They did. How could you go with anyone that in this experience that I've had, I have absolutely nothing negative to say. And if you knew me better, that'd be surprising. It was just a joy to see, and to see guys that are working really hard. This is hard construction work. They're in the dirt. It's crummy work, it's hard work, it's heavy work, and then not one of them complained whatsoever about that job. Those are hard people to find, and when you get them, you better keep them.